We're here in Santa Ana where we, as you guys all have seen through my videos, we built a lot of wine cellars out here in Southern California. So what I want to show you today is a place where we built a space that was just a utility closet that now is built into a wine cellar. So I want to start with a couple things. Sometimes the customers come and say, hey, I have this door. Can we use this door? Can we use like a door from a bedroom? Well, most of the time it's no, because it's not sealed, it's not ready, or we help you seal that. So as you see the door here, this came from the customer, but we help it seal from the bottom, and we make sure it gets sealed here on the Q-line onto the jamb. That's a big part to make sure it seals properly to keep that 55 degrees into the room. So let's talk about the space itself. Again, it was a utility room and they wanted to make it into a cellar, and I was thinking, I don't know how we're gonna get more than 200 bottles, but the way we designed it was to get now 400 bottles into this space in addition to all the alcohol that they have here on the light up panels. So let's first discuss construction and we'll go back to design. So we demoed everything down to the studs. We then ran the ducting, both the supply and the return, ran the electrical, which is most dedicated electrical for the coil, and then we also did a low voltage in here as well. The next step was then the machine we used. We used a WhisperKOOL Phantom fully ducted unit. And you can't even hear the unit in here. It's so quiet because it's in the attic space. Once we kind of ran that and had the unit installed, we then foamed the space, plywood, green board, mud, sand, texture paint. Now, let's get to the design. So we wanted to have some place for their alcohol. Here at Custom Wine Cellar, we manufactured these acrylic light panels. We manufactured the wood. This is alder wood with both an espresso stain and lacquer. I believe this is mahogany actually with a stain and lacquer espresso. With our white acrylic light up panels, we used the VintageView double deep black for this and triple deep wine racks on the back, and then double deep on the side here. And then again, we then put more mahogany both with an espresso stain and lacquer and into the diamond bins that they have here. So many spaces can do so many different things. I built wine walls that only had 200 bottles, and then you come into a closet like this and you get the most out of the space to make it aesthetically pleasing, to make it functional, and to make it absolutely gorgeous. And that's what we did here. So if you're looking to build a cellar, if you're looking to build a closet, or any wine wall or any hospitality, please reach out to us. We would love to talk to you about building your next room. Thank you.